small garden makeover ideas with lush backyard landscaping and calm outdoor design inspiration. Looking to bring new life into your small backyard or garden this year? This video takes you on a peaceful home garden design inspiration tour, featuring small backyard garden makeover ideas that blend structure, color, and serenity. Discover how to design your own small backyard landscaping with natural balance, cozy furniture flow, and lighting harmony. Perfect for American homeowners who value calm, charm, and low-maintenance beauty. From structured greenery pathways and color-coordinated patio zones to compact barbecue areas and evening landscape glow, every idea is designed to fit small outdoor spaces with big visual impact. These small backyard garden design ideas work beautifully for American homes, proving that serenity doesn't need a large footprint. Enjoy inspiration that's cinematic yet practical, warm yet timeless. Your guide to building a peaceful backyard retreat you'll love every season. The story begins right here, where a simple small backyard turns into a peaceful outdoor retreat of green. The sound of soft leaves brushing the breeze, the light gently touching the patio, and the first sight of colorful blooms. Each moment feels like a quiet welcome home. In a small garden, design isn't about size. It's about flow, balance, and how colors breathe together. Every planter, every trimmed hedge, and every corner becomes part of your daily calm. This outdoor space invites you to slow down, to feel the air, to notice the texture of nature meeting architecture. Here, we're not just building a backyard garden. We're building serenity, one green layer at a time. As you move deeper into the backyard design, structure meets softness. A narrow stone pathway guides you through hedges shaped with purpose, surrounded by blooming shrubs that shift with the seasons. The small garden landscaping design creates rhythm. Each curve leads the eye to something new yet familiar. There's no wasted space, no clutter, just harmony between color, texture, and proportion. In every direction, you feel balance. Evergreens framing color, perennials filling gaps, and accent pots defining corners. This is how backyard landscaping works when every foot matters. Small backyard design with intention, and the result feels effortless. At the heart of the backyard garden lies the cozy outdoor patio, a small circle of comfort designed for living. Bistro chairs or black wrought iron chairs and round table contrasts against the light paving, while fresh green cushions echo the plants beyond. The seating arrangement isn't random. It forms a natural conversation flow, inviting mornings with coffee or long evening talks. Lighting threads gently around, highlighting the calm geometry of the space. It's proof that small backyard ideas can be both practical and poetic. The color story carries through. Earth tones, soft greens, and floral touches in all the right places. This is what it means to live beautifully in small square footage. Tucked in one corner is a compact barbecue area that brings warmth and life to weekends. A brick base blends with natural stone, making it feel part of the small backyard garden rather than an add-on. Around it, herbs and terracotta pots add both fragrance and function. Rosemary, thyme, and basil growing beside the grill. Lighting softens the edges, while a small prep counter keeps things practical. In small backyard garden ideas, details define experience. Every inch serves a purpose. Every color supports the calm. This small space celebrates how comfort and function can coexist without losing that touch of beauty. As the sun sets, the backyard garden transforms. The layered landscaping takes on depth. Light dances through leaves, colors fade into warm evening tones. It's quiet but alive. The low lights around the patio and path bring focus, creating intimacy within the open air. This small backyard becomes more than garden design. It's emotion, captured in layers of green and gold. At night, it feels like the world outside pauses, leaving you in a moment of stillness. That's the magic of thoughtful backyard design. Serenity that glows after sunset. Backyard's garden shows us that beauty isn't about size. It's about harmony, balance, and care. Whether you're starting fresh or refining your current garden, small changes can transform everything. Which part inspired you most? The structured greenery, barbecue area, or the cozy patio flow? Tell us in the comments and subscribe for more backyard ideas with small garden inspiration every week. Your dream outdoor space might be closer than you think.